Hello, in lecture number 6 of logic gates and logic families, we will study here the simplification of Boolean laws. There are some methods to solve the Boolean expressions. This is the first example. In first example, here I am taking as first example y is equal to in first bracket a bar c, in second bracket a, and third bracket a bar b plus bc bar. Now this a term is multiplied with these two terms, so a is multiplied with a bar, so here I am taking as a into a bar, and this a is multiplied with c, so here I am taking as the a into c. Now in remaining bracket a bar b plus c bar is as it is. Now we already know that a into a bar is equal to 0, so here I am putting as 0. Now remaining term is ac term is remaining, and in second bracket a bar b plus c bar is remaining, so here ac is multiplied with a bar b, so ac is multiplied with a bar b plus this ac is multiplied with c bar, so here I am taking as ac into c bar, so ac a bar b plus a c into c bar. But here look at c, a into a bar is nothing but 0, and c into c bar is nothing but 0, so final answer is y is equal to 0. Now I am taking a second example. Y is equal to in first bracket ab bar plus ac bar, in second bracket bc plus bc bar, and in third bracket abc. So here multiply as this ab bar term is multiplied with dc, this ab bar term is multiplied with bc, so here I am writing as ab bar into bc. Now this ab bar term multiply with bc bar, so ab bar into bc bar. Now this third term ac bar is multiplied with bc, so here I am writing as ac bar into bc, and in fourth term ac bar into bc bar, so ac bar into bc bar, and remaining abc is as it is. Now we will already studied that b into b bar is nothing but 0. Now here the b into b bar is nothing but 0, this c into c bar is nothing but this c, and this c bar is nothing but 0, and remaining term is a c b c bar is as it is, and remaining term is abc. Now these terms are 0, so c bar into c bar is nothing but c into c is equal to c, so c bar into c bar is nothing but write as only one time c bar, so here I am writing as a b into c bar and remaining bracket abc, but this c into c bar is again 0, so all our answer is 0, so y is equal to here 0. Now I am taking as third example. Third example is that in first bracket a plus c, in second bracket a plus d, in third bracket b plus c, and in fourth bracket b plus c. This is the LHS side. This LHS side is equal to the RHS side. To solve the LHS side step by step, here the a is multiplied with a, this was this two multiplication, here the two groups taking multiplication first, this a is multiplied with a, this a is multiplied with d, this c is multiplied with a, and this c is multiplied with d, so a into a into d, a into c plus cd, remaining as it is. This b is multiplied with b into bd into bc and into cd. Now a into a is nothing but a, so remaining term is ad plus ac plus cd, and in second bracket b into bb is nothing but b, bd, bc and cd. So here taking as a multiplication a plus ad plus ac. Now remaining term is a is common term, so remaining terms are a plus d plus c plus cd, and in second bracket which term is common here, b term is common here, so remaining term as 1 plus c plus d plus cd. Here 1 plus c plus d is nothing but 1, and 1 plus c is nothing but d, so remaining term as a plus cd, b plus cd. Now there are again multiplication takes place. This a is multiplied with b, this a is multiplied with acd, then this bcd, and remaining term is cd into cd, but cd into cd is one time cd is remaining, so here is the ab plus common term is cd, so remaining term is 1 plus b plus a. but 1 plus b plus a is nothing but 1. So remaining term as ab plus cd, and this LHS side is similarly to the RHS side. This is the some examples of the simplification of Boolean expressions. Now we will take another example of simplification, is that here I am taking as another example a into a plus here I am taking an another example. This is a simple example, a plus ab is equal to a. So here this one is the LHS side and this one is the RHS side. So first simplify the LHS side. Common term is a, remaining term is 1 plus b. So final answer is a. 1 plus b is nothing but 1, a dot 1, but a dot 1 is nothing but a. So this is the left hand side. This left hand side is similar to the right hand side. This is the left hand side. This left hand side is similar to the right hand side. Now I am taking another example, simple example. Here I am taking another simple example as AB plus AC. Here I am taking another simple example, that AB in first bracket a plus b, and in second bracket a plus c. To solve these examples, this is to y is equal to, so solve step by step. Here a is multiplied with a, so a into a plus a into c plus a into b plus b into c. So a into a is nothing but a plus ac plus ab plus bc. See here, this is the common term, is a is common term, so remaining term is 1 plus b plus c is the common term, and another term is the bc, but here 1 plus b plus c is nothing but 1, so a plus bc is your final answer. In this fashion we will solve the different types of simplification of Boolean expressions. If any queries related to these equations, then you will ask me. Thank you. Thank you.